Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Leonie. This is really not at all the video that I was supposed to be uploading today. I was supposed to be uploading a video of going to Healy's cider farm near Truro, but that didn't quite happen. We had a small fire in the kitchen, I'm fine, the house is fine, everyone's fine. But I did have a burn on my arm that I needed a skin graft for, so I can't really do much at the minute. But we do have a few videos planned that I can be uploading from home and doing at home without having to move too much. So the first one is just this video here. I am taking part in the Ration challenge for Concern UK from the 13th to I believe 18th of June.
That's fair.
Yeah. I just got my ration box in the mail this morning. So in it was this double-sided poster. And I've got a recipe book of some of the recipes to try out. I've got a little toolkit of everything that I'll need to fundraise and food stuff. And then I've just got this little welcome letter here, and it's got everything that I can do effectively. Yeah. So let's unbox my rations. I do need to add some oil to this if I remember correctly. I have 420 grams of long grain rice. I have a voucher for vegetable oil, which I will need to supply myself. I've got some of that in the cupboard. And I've got 170 grams of red lentils. I've got a food voucher for some flour. I've got 1 tin of red kidney beans, and I have 85 grams of dried chickpeas. So that is effectively all of the food that I have for a week. So I will be doing this to raise money for the refugees, the Syrian refugees in Jordan. My link to my account will be linked in my bio. I'll leave more details in the description of the video as well. If I remember correctly, it only cost £14 to feed one refugee for a whole month. So anything that you could donate would be massively helpful. And I do want to say thank you to my amazing boyfriend Will for filming this video, because I cannot pick up my camera very well. So I know this is only a short video, but I thought I'd let you guys know what's going on. And on Wednesday I'm going to be uploading my video of trying my snack surprise box, so make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can watch that one as it goes up on Wednesday at 5 PM. See ya.